Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about validation rules. Validation rules used to verify the user has entered data in correct format or not. There are two types of validation in Salesforce. First one is client-side validation. It is used to validate the data at user side, and another is server side validation. It is used to validate data at database level, but always use client side validation because it reduces server request and also it reduces load on server and it improve the performance of application. Salesforce provides a set of ready-made function to validate the data, and server side validation can be done by using trigger. Firstly, go to app launcher and here I am search accounts object. After that, click here new. Here only one field is mandatory, account name. I want to make phone number field. This should be 10 digit, and account number field is not blank, and also I want to make rating field is not blank. So go to setup. After that, click here object manager, select object account, go to validation rules. Here I am delete this. Click here new. Here rule name I am right here account validation and it should be active. Next is here we can see these are the ready-made function which is provided by the Salesforce. Here firstly I want to make phone number field should be 10 digit. For that I am use function regx. Select this and click here insert selected function. First is first text means here add fields. Field's name is phone. Select phone and insert. After that here write the syntax. 0 to 9 and phone number is 10 digit. After that click here check syntax. Here no error found. Another is I want to make account number field is not blank. For that firstly I am use here AND function and simply put this in here logical 1. Now I want to make account number field is not blank. For that I am use function is null. After that insert here field name is account number. Click here check syntax. Here no error found. And I want to make rating field is not blank. A rating field is pick list. So firstly I am use here is blank function. In that I am use text function, and in that I am use field rating. Click here check syntax. Here no error found. After that write here error message, please fill all details. Error message location is of top of the page. Simply click here save. Validation rule is successfully created and it should be active. In this way we can create validation rule in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.